acting to this.
Yeah, let's not.
You know, what is your freaking name like that, man? Ha? Am I? Nah, G, triple mamaga. Because you got a chainsaw? That's so tiny. Could probably break it with a freaking rocket launcher, mama. Yeah, me too, man. How could I not dance that shit? No! That's the forbidden word! U-W-U, no! Yeah, black and red guy. Oh, he's from Africa, my man. Doesn't it? Oh my god, my boy is too old for that shit, my man. My boy is too old for dating a little girl. Offensive. Yes, that would be like, oh, but old my man, I'm calling the cops. You're not the queen of every man. Nuh-uh. Because I got a rocket launcher, I could tear you into pieces. You shouldn't mess with us. RPE rip air. You think you can hit me with that? Man, I'm not watching this shit. Plus, rip air. RP. RPE, my gun. Plus, you are bullshit. I'm not saying that.